This is standard room, yes?
Studio.
Studio room.
Studio.
And how much 1 month? How much money 1 month? Monthly?
We only have per night.
Per night.
If it's a long stay, we can give you 2,740.
2,700 what?
40. If it's a long stay, I mean, if it's 1 week, then that's the rate. But if it's just minimum days, it's 3,035.
Monthly cannot now, monthly.
No.
Only
We just offer 10% discount.
and 10% discount. What do you think? Nighttime here noisy or not? Nighttime.
Nighttime?
Yes. This side. Little bit maybe, yes. But
we have another room.
I have also another
On
room.
this side. We also have on this. I know. You still want to see some room?
No, you have another side.
This side?
Yes. This is number 4.
There are different styles of rooms.
Different price, yes?
No.
Or same price?
Same price but different settings.
Different settings.
Yeah.
But this room is more cheapest. Yes, it's cheapest room or not?
This side is the cheapest.
We follow this. Another.
And we have another one, sir, if you want. But there's no balcony in that.
But have balcony
No
here.
balcony. Side. This one, this way.
Big balcony. But have another side, yes?
Yeah. That one is no balcony.
No balcony. Only this side have balcony, yes?
Yeah. Only this side. You wanna look, sir?
Yeah, yes. Please show. Oh, interesting design.
Different design.
But same price.
Same price.
Like in church, same. A
Yeah.
little bit.
You can turn on the ceiling fan or
Only don't have balcony here.
yeah, that's the only one we no balcony.
But I think this.
And you can cook here also if you want it.
Uh,
Yeah, you you can cook, have a fridge, small fridge,
Мгм.
oven, some plates.
Interesting design.
Have an balcony. Oh, wala. Switch on. Yes. We have a balcony.
This is cheapest room.
Yeah,
yes?
this is cheapest. And look the toilet, sir. Balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, here. I can do that. That's alright. So this is the cheapest one, sir.
Nice camera, sir.
Yeah, small.
Yeah.
Overhead always.
Even small.
Yeah.
You have a cute camera,
Yeah,
sir.
I think that's expensive.
Not so expensive.
Not so.
Sometimes mobile phones more expensive.
Oh.
It's cute.
Okay, sir. American, sir?
No, no. But my friends from America want to
From-
come.
What
German?
country, sir?
No, no, no. What do you think?
Sweden?
No, Russia.
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 Oh, you
Yes.
guapo. You know guapo?
But I not a long time I not stay in Russia. In Chinese, I'm Chinese because I stay in
You
China.
have a nice smile, huh? You handsome.
Thank
Nice
you.
smile.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So this is more cheapest room. This one,
Yes,
yes.
sir. This is a cheapest.
Mhm.
Standard. This is
Standard. But another room in the second floor,
The
little.
second floor is 3,000 plus.
Uh-huh.
But you
This.
can ask to the discount also.
Uh-huh.
This one.
You will be the one to stay, sir? Or
No, 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 no. My
Friends.
friend, he asking me to take video about cheapest room. Yeah,
This is the cheapest.
yeah,
Have more few, but maybe you look like the other.
yeah.
And you can
Yeah, the
look
other ones are the
one.
26A.
Half another.
But there's no balcony, sir. Tip,
The open.
This is room.
Yeah. Come inside, sir. This is no balcony.
This is simple room.
Yeah, simple room.
But price same, yes?
Same
Same
price.
thing.
Yeah. This is standard also, but
Also
there's no
standard.
balcony. You can cook
Mhm.
and you have
Yes, I have
for
ref,
yeah.
microwave.
Yeah, very good also.
Yeah.
I will say to my friend take email.
Sir, huh? So we're gonna see you again. Your nice smile.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. It's for what you
Thank you.
together you can drink. You can drink tea.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. My friend made a message to this email and
Also same with your country, sir?
no, no.
Okay, sir.
Sorry for any questions.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.